National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania. Until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, at 1:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Plymouth to Slocum to Rock Glen, and were moving east at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plains, Wilkes-Barre, Wilkes-Barre Township and Penobscot at 1:30 a.m. Laughlin, West Hazelton, Drums, and Cunningham at 1:35 a.m. Hazelton and Bear Creek at 1:40 a.m. Very heavy rain will also accompany these storms, causing minor flooding in poor drainage areas. Please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-877-633-6772 or by email at pgm.stormreport@noaa.gov.